If you have watched the previous video, you would have got an idea of how labels and selectors works in Kubernetes. Here what we are going to do is we are going to demonstrate some of the use cases of labels. Here I have a multi-node cluster. It's having a master node and a worker node. Worker node is having a label saying that node type is HiveMem. I have created three manifest files here. One is for the blue deployment, the other one is for the green deployment, and one is for the service. Let us look into the content of the blue deployment. There are three labels are there: the app, version, and the action. The same thing you can see for the green deployment as well. Here the version is v2 and the action is retrieve. Let us deploy these applications. We can see that both blue and green deployments are done. Each of them deployed 3 ports, and their levels also we can see here. Now let us try to run each of the ports to see what is the output we are getting. We can see that this is the value blue for the blue deployment, and for the green deployment we will get this is the value green. Now let us see how to use the selectors here. Here the selector is version is equal to v1, and it is showing the ports having the label v1. Same way we can see the ports with the label v2 as well. Also we can use labels with in condition. Here you can see that version in v1 v2. It's showing ports for both blue and green deployments. We are going to create the service here. Service is having the selector app equal to my service. That way all the ports will be listed under this service. We have seen that both the deployments have three ports, and we are expecting the requests to be distributed equally. Here this shell command will continuously pump requests to the service. Here you can see that Kubernetes has somewhat equally distributed the requests between blue and green. We are going to change the number of ports for the blue deployment. Now only one port will be there for the blue deployment. Here you can see that most of the requests are going to the green deployment or the green ports, and a few are going to blue because only one port is there. This is one of the simplest way to do a candidate testing in Kubernetes.